What's up? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Leah is Funny YT. Today I will be playing a baby game with my bestie Leah. Hi. I'm joking. It's on both of my accounts. Because I'm just very bored and I just want to play with somebody as a baby. So you know. Why is she like into my arm like that? Why am I like into my own arm like that? Anyways, we've got new cars on here. We've got, well, not really new cars, but you know. Nah, let's got two-seater. Let's get this car. The car you came in with me when you were sneaking with me, but you couldn't upload it because it got, not banned, but you know. There. There we go. Get off your phone as well. Anyways, enjoy the sun. I can't. Why? Because you're very funny. You sound like a boy when you're a baby. What did you just say? You sound like a boy when you're like a baby. That was a bit mean. Oh my god. You're just funny as a baby, that's all. Right guys, let's do that new house tour. Wait. Modern, eager, sleek modern home with, you know, look at it, it's so cool. It's like got tennis courts, it's got like, so this is my like dream house. Or we could just get this boring one, but nah, get this new one. This house is like the bestest house you could possibly get. Oh. Can I please go on my phone now? No. Kids these days, hey? Yeah, you're telling me. Right, we'll give him a... Guys, I'll be right back because I don't want you to see the garage yet. Right, okay guys, so I'll just close the garage. As you can see, my car's in there. Anyways, let's go up the steps. So here's the tennis court. With a basketball court as well. So we can do the... Hey. I do not know how to play on basketball. It's got this weird line. Let's go, we've got one. Anyways, so yeah, that was the basketball court and the tennis court. Then we can go up here to our jacuzzi and just like chillax in the sun. Because the sun's like right up there. Don't look at it because it would hurt your eyes. Never look at the sun, it will hurt your eyes. Anyways, this is a pool, like the jacuzzi kind of pool. And then we got this room. Oh, I didn't know there was a door. Anyways, we've got this room with the dining table, and we've got the living room, we've got the kitchen, we've got the piano. It's stupid how you can't hear the songs, but then we've got these doors, like the actual doors. Anyways, and then we can go on to the cameras. But you know, let's not go for the cameras because the cameras are boring. And then I really don't know how to show you this house, it's too massive. And then we got this door to the biggest room ever. Got the TV, got the bed, we got the corridor, we got that. But anyways, we need to go to the room. And then this room, got the bathroom. Yeah, so we got that room at the bathroom. And then we can go up. Now, shall I show you downstairs first? Yeah, I'll show you downstairs. We got this room, the theatre room, I think. Nope. We got another bedroom. This bedroom is nice. I really like this bedroom. Anyways, the details are really nice, where you can see outside the windows. Wow, what a beautiful day today. Anyways, and then we got another bathroom. I almost said bedroom then. And then as we go over to the, I think this is the theatre. Oh, well, I don't know where the theatre is. But we got this room, which I really like. Then we got another downstairs, as you can see. So maybe the theatre's down there. And then we got this garage as well. This is the garage, that's the garage where I keep on my car. Then we got this garage, you know. So we can put our cars in there, just in case we want to be full. I don't know why it's a garage, I can't really get the car through, but yeah. And then we can go downstairs again. And then this is probably the bathroom. Oh, it's the washing machine area with the safe with my money in. So nobody come on here and steal my money. And then we've got the little pool area inside where my little baby can go on the floaties. And we're just like, yeah, Daddy, I'm having so much fun, I'm having so much fun. And then, I haven't seen my baby yet. It's probably in the car still. But anyways. Probably the theatre now. Yep. We've got the Zakis, which as well. We got the Zakis, which are Takis. We got Noritos, which is Doritos. In case you didn't know that, guys. And then we've got the TV. I will sit right here. This is a lie. You would want to watch news. What is going on in this film? Anyways, that's that done. We've got these two. Yep, showed you that and that. Right, let's go all the way upstairs now. Oh, we've got, I think I showed you this room, yeah, because that's got to the tennis court. So this is where I'll be living. Well, this is my workstation. And that. This is the sofa where I can relax on and that. And why do my eyes look red then? My eyes look red. My eyes look red. Anyways, and then we got the balcony. The glorious balcony. And then we have got the table out here where we can have a family dinner outside where the nice lovely view is. Anyways, that's it for the house tour, so let's get into the video. Guys, we are at the garage as well. I think I forgot to show you inside the garage, but I showed you the garage. But I forgot to show you inside the garage. So this is inside the garage. You know. Move! Oh, someone's a bit angry today. Yeah, because you was in my way. Anyways, let's be right back when we're on to the video. What is that? Okay, we're getting into the action now. Come on, baby, let's go. No, I don't want to go. Sorry, but we got to. Let's go in to get you to bed. My lovely, lovely baby. We need to get the lovely birdie. Daddy, what were you doing? Nothing, honey. Anyways, we've got the lights on now. Oh, gosh, I'm really cold. Whenever I play on my, I want to get like loads of goosebumps. I don't know why, but you know, oh, we're accidentally gone. Wait, so this is the first, second, third. We got four floors here. Oh baby, I forgot to show. Told you guys she would go straight into the pool. You having fun there, kiddo? Ah, that's a bit weird, Daddy. Oh yeah. I guess I can lie on here. No, I want to lie down. I want to lie down on there. Please, please, Daddy. Oh, alright, because you're so cute. Oh, just lie on these chairs. You can't. Ew. what are you doing? Nothing. Pick me up, Daddy. Help me, Daddy. Help me. I'm helping you. I'm helping you. I'm helping. We need to go on the 3rd floor, so 2nd, 3rd. There we go. Oh, we accidentally went on to the 4th. Anyways, this is the 3rd floor. We will take you to my bedroom now. Why? Oop. Looks like it's on the 2nd floor. Yeah. Here's your bedroom. Choose what bed you like. Now, good night. Good night. You dragged me out. Whoops. Minnie, you dragged me out. Anyways, no, goodbye. Finally. What room should I have? Oh, let's do some work. Let's turn off the lights, it's a bit bright. There we go. What happened to the lights, Daddy? Why is she crying? That's an annoying little brat. I'm coming, my lovely. Where are you? Where are you? I'm in the bedroom. What? What happened to the light? Oh, I just turned them all off with my phone. Do you want to be on top bunk? Yeah. Good night. A present. Yes, I hope you like it. Sorry, it's like forever. Hold it up and open the present. The bag? Yeah, but what's inside the bag? Can I guess? Come on then, take a guess. It's going to be a Nintendo Switch. How did you guess it right? Because I'm just smart like that. And I love it. Right, you got me a phone as well. Yes, I love you that much. I've got you a phone. But please do not break it. Look, call me. Call me. Hello, darling. Hi, Daddy. This is so funny. What was that laugh? Sorry, but this is the funniest thing ever. I love you so much. Like, bye. Oh, it ended. Let's call him again. Why are you... Let's get on to the other... Guys, let's get on to the other scene. Why are you following me for? I'm not. Why are you following me? Me follow you? Like I would ever do that. Why would I follow someone ugly like you? Sorry to say. But why are you have to be so mean for? You know what? I'm coming to your house. Bye. Guys, let's go to his house. He's been so mean. They're on the other scene, that's why, guys. Oh, she's here, guys. Guys, guys, what do? Right, let me quickly go. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, she's here, Richard, sadly. Oh, look at her. Why are you here? Because I am. Because you ham. What the hell? You're not funny, you know. But you seem like you're having a right laugh. Anyways, I'm here because why are you being so mean? Why am I being so mean? Yeah. You have to be the meanest adult I've ever seen. No, I'm not the meanest adult you've ever seen. Yeah, you are. Tell me then. 1, you won't let me come inside. 2, you won't be nice. 3, you keep having a go and go and go and go and go. 4, you keep saying, oh what, look at this ugly fat rat girl. And 5, you keep swearing at me. I mean, not swearing, you keep hitting me. I'm joking. You keep being mean to me. What? That's the biggest lie I've ever heard. Now leave, I'm in a frame. No. Your tennis ball's blue. Yeah, so. I like the colour of your tennis ball. Thank you. How about we call it a truce and we both be friends? I like the colour of your tennis ball, it matches your... Oh, I can't aim. It's okay, you get better. Look. Look now. See? It just keeps disappointing me. How about we just play a game of catch, yeah? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. That was a far throw. You can try that again. That was a far throw. I know. Where did it go? You lost my ball. Oh, stop being such a baby. It's over the road. My ball. How'd you get it that far? That was the furthest I've ever saw anybody. So that's so far. What happened to my house? My house. Whoa, what's just happened? What's happening, guys? Anyways, guys, that's for today's video. We really hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe. And my amazing best friend would like to say something. We love you next time. Now, goodbye. Subscribe. Bye.